Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Let's Talk in English.
Hi, everyone. We're so happy you're here with us today.
I'm Lucas.
And I'm Sarah.
In our last videos, we talked about last year.
And your next year plan.
Today, we're talking about something even more important,
Right now.
your present life.
Because the present moment is where change happens.
Sarah, why is the present so important?
Because it's the only time we can control.
We can't change the past,
And we can't fully control the future.
but right now,
You can choose your actions.
let's teach something important.
Yes.
When we talk about daily life, we use the present simple tense.
For example, I wake up at 7 a.m.
I work 5 days a week.
I practice English every day.
That's how we describe routines.
Now let's talk about the present continuous.
That's for actions happening right now.
For example, I am watching this video.
I am learning English.
Or even, I am improving my life.
That's powerful.
Lucas, how do you feel right now?
I feel motivated
Why?
because I'm focused on growth.
What about stress?
Sometimes I feel stressed.
That's normal.
You can say, I feel overwhelmed.
Overwhelmed means too much pressure.
What habits are you building right now?
I'm reading more books.
That's great.
I'm also exercising consistently.
Consistency again.
Yes, growth happens daily.
If someone asks you, how is your life right now? What would you say?
I would say it's improving.
That's honest,
Not perfect.
but progressing.
Exactly.
Sarah, sometimes when we talk about the present, we also talk about experiences up to now.
Yes, that's when we use the present perfect tense.
For example,
I have improved a lot this year
so the action started in the past.
and continues until now.
You can also say, I have changed my mindset.
Or I have learned to be patient
That sounds powerful.
because it shows growth that is still active.
Now let's make it more advanced.
Okay,
What about present perfect continuous?
good question.
How do we use it?
We use it for actions that started in the past and are still happening now.
Example,
I have been practicing English every day.
that shows duration.
Yes, it shows effort over time.
Another example,
I have been working on myself.
that's motivational.
Lucas, what are you doing right now to improve your life?
Right now, I'm focusing on discipline.
How?
I wake up earlier.
Good.
I avoid distractions.
That's difficult.
Yes, but necessary.
What about your English?
I'm speaking more confidently,
Even if you make mistakes?
especially if I make mistakes.
Let's talk about emotions.
Okay.
How do you feel about your life right now?
I feel hopeful
Why hopeful?
because I see progress.
What if someone feels lost
They can say, I feel uncertain.
or I feel stuck?
Yes, and that's okay.
Growth is not always linear.
Let's compare your past self and your present self.
Okay.
1 year ago, how were you?
I was less confident.
And now?
Now I trust myself more.
What changed?
My habits.
That's important. Small daily actions created big results.
Sarah, if someone asks you, how is your life right now? What would you answer, honestly?
I would say it's a work in progress.
Work in progress?
Yes, it's not perfect, but I'm improving.
That's realistic.
Nobody has a perfect life.
True.
But you can have a meaningful life.
That's deeper.
Right now, I'm learning to appreciate small victories.
Like what?
Waking up early, finishing tasks, practicing English daily.
Those small wins build confidence.
Exactly.
Let's ask a difficult question.
Okay.
What are you avoiding right now?
Sometimes I avoid difficult conversations
Why?
because they're uncomfortable.
But are they necessary?
Yes.
So what are you doing about it?
I'm learning to communicate better. What is your mindset right now?
My mindset is growth.
What does that mean?
It means I believe I can improve.
That's called a growth mindset.
Instead of saying, I can't do this,
You say, I can't do this yet.
that one word changes everything.
If your life right now was a sentence, what would it be?
I am building something meaningful.
That's powerful.
What about you?
I am becoming the person I want to be.
That's beautiful. Let's give practical advice.
Okay.
If someone wants to improve their present life, what should they do today?
3 simple things. Do 1 difficult task. Learn something new. Practice gratitude.
Gratitude means being thankful.
Yes, appreciate what you have.
Now, repeat after us.
Right now, I am improving.
I am working on myself.
I have been learning every day.
I am becoming stronger.
Very good.
Imagine yourself right now.
Not tomorrow.
Not next year.
This moment.
You are watching this video.
You are learning,
You are growing.
even if you don't feel it yet.
Change happens quietly.
The past is gone,
The future is coming.
but right now,
You have power.
use it wisely.
Take one step today.
Speak 1 sentence in English.
Build one good habit.
Make 1 positive decision.
Your future depends on what you do right now.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, like the video
Subscribe to our channel.
and tell us in the comments.
How would you describe your life right now in 1 sentence?
Let's grow together.
And let's talk in English together.